Good day. My name is Miss Weese-Stein, but you can call me Miss WS if you like because most kids do. I teach health and PE. Since we're going to be spending some quality time together, I thought I might tell you a little bit about me. First of all, I've been a teacher for 47 years. 21 of those years I've taught online, and I've enjoyed it all. I lived in Australia for 3.5 years with my daughter, where we raised sheep. Well, actually, we didn't raise the sheep. We did the genetic study of sheep for 14,000 farms. It was fascinating. Presently, I live in Ohio. I have one daughter. Her name is Morgan. She will be 36 years old in September. These are two of my favorite shots of her. One mother-daughter shot and the shot from Australia with the lambs. I also have a dog. Her name is Foxy. She's a Jack Russell Terrierist. I adopted her from the local pound about 5 years ago. She was doing time for killing chickens on one of the local chicken farms. As you can see, she also doubles as my security system. Okay, let's recap. My name is Ms. Weese-Stein, or Miss WS, whichever you prefer to use. I teach health and physical education for the Ed Options Academy. My email appears to the right of this video. Also, my phone number is to the right of this video, and my office hours. Now, you'll notice my office hours are split up into different hours on each of the days of the week. And that is because some people aren't morning people and some people aren't afternoon people. So this gives you a variety of times when you can come into my open office hours and ask questions or get help with assignments. All right, please contact me anytime. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. I love what I do, and I hope in some way to help you to love it also. Welcome to my world. Let's get her done.